In this video, we'll show you how you can remove all your watch later videos on YouTube at once. So as you may already know, YouTube doesn't give you an option to remove all the watch later videos at once. However, there is a workaround that you can use to remove all of them at once. So for that, open YouTube in your web browser and then sign into your account. Now open a new tab and then search for YT Watch Later Assist. Now select this first link of the Chrome extension. Now here select add to Chrome or add to your browser and then select add extension again to confirm. Now simply wait for a few seconds. Once the extension is added, you can head over to the YouTube tab again. Simply refresh the page and here you should see this remove all videos button. That is essentially the YouTube Watch Later Assist extension. Now you can click on it and then click on OK. So what this will do is run an automated script that will remove all the watch later videos one by one. So once this is done, you will see this kind of message. Now head back to the YouTube app again and then refresh the page. And as you can see, there are no watch later videos.